Okay guys, here's a little tutorial to hopefully help you learn your teach tracks, in particular the tricky bits that we all struggle with. You're going to go onto Google and look for a bit of software called Audacity. There it is, Audacity free audio editor and recorder. So just click on that and press download Audacity. Your download will start automatically in a few seconds. Decide where you're going to save it. And it'll take a few seconds to download. Here we go, 3 seconds left. Okay, so that file is now saved on my computer, so I can double click it here. And it'll say, do you want to allow the program to make changes to the computer? Say yes, go for English obviously, and welcome to the setup. So click next, and next, and next. The folder already exists, that's probably not going to be the case on your machine. We want to create a desktop icon, click next, and then install. So there we go. One last click on a next, launch Audacity and finish. So here's the program, and we need to go and find ourselves a piece of music. So we're going to go File and Open. And here's my music folder. Let's just go and find ourselves a piece of music. Let's try that one. Okay, so here it shows the music in a wave pattern, so you can probably guess that that's the pitch pipe going on at the beginning, and then we're into the singing zone. Let's just press the green button for play. There we go. So you can pause that at any point. You can move forward in the recording and click on this section here with the numbers on, and it'll just start playing at that point.
Once I built a railroad, made it run, made it race against time.
So you can see the blobs correspond to the volume of the music as it's playing.
Once I built a tower to the sun, brick and rivet and lime. Once I built a tower, now it's gone.
Now let's assume that that's the bit you've been having problems with. So we're going to just play that little section over and over again until we get it right. So we're going to grab our left button on the mouse and just move it across until you've grayed out that section. You're then going to go to transport at the top and come down and wait a minute, you've got to say stop before you can do that. We're going to try that again. Grey that section out, transport, loop play.
Once I built a tower, now it's gone. Once I built a tower, now it's gone. Once I built a tower, now it's gone.
So that's obviously just going to repeat ad infinitum. The problem is that you're probably not going to have enough time to take a breath in between those repetitions. So we're going to introduce a bit of space at the beginning and end of that piece. So I'm going to click just at the beginning of that section, try and get it right. I'm then going to generate some silence. Now I'm not quite sure what it defaults to, but if you put a 1 just in front of the dot, that'll give you 1 second. So 0 hours, 0 minutes, 1 second. So OK there, and you can see it's introduced a little bit of silence into that section. We're going to do the same at the end, so put your cursor at the end of the blob, generate silence, 1 second. Okay, Let's just zoom in a little bit on that section. So you can see now there's two areas of no sound at the beginning and end. So what I'm going to do now is highlight that area, including some silence, go back to transport and loop the play.
Once I built a tower, now it's gone. Once I built a tower, now it's gone.
So now you've got time to take a breath in between the phrase, and you can repeat it more easily as often as you need to. When you're finished, press the stop button again. You can either go to edit and undo the silences that you've introduced, or you can just close the thing down, and when it says save changes, say no, I'm just going to leave it as it was. Thank you. Easy.